Hello everyone, welcome to the third installment of the tutorial on how to use CFaceLIVE. Today I would like to introduce to you the picture face swap function of this software. As you can see on the screen, this is still the navigation bar language, and we still choose Chinese for the presentation. This is our input original section, and this is our picture face swapping function. Let's create a new folder on the desktop, and we select the image we want to replace here. Now, I put the picture on the desktop. Click on the image folder and don't click on it. Select the Chinese folder. We click on this double arrow. The original photo is displayed on the first window, which is our preview window area. The first window is our original photo. The second window is where our software recognizes the facial features of the original photo. At the bottom is still our beauty function section. We can adjust the facial features of the face, such as the size of the mouth and eyes. The third window is our model face. This is the face where we want to change the face, and this is the folder where we store the model. The fourth is the preview window after our AF face swap. After we change our faces, they will be displayed in this window. This window is the one we adjust the size of the preview window, which is adjusted here in terms of pixel values. Let's take a look. We click on the pin display, and it will be displayed at the bottom and top. We can adjust the size, or we want to see the contrast more intuitively. We can enter the image, choose the horizontal and vertical rows. We choose the horizontal row here. This is the original photo. This is the photo with a good face. Is the window comparison not clear enough? Let's go to the face adjustment section of this model and turn on Super Resolution Repair. Now we can take a look at the effect. This section also has a function to adjust the color difference. Click on this tone adjustment. We also have a feature in this section, the masking function. Its function is that our model and face are not adjusted properly, helping our face and model to fit more closely and increase naturalness. We have a quick face change in this picture, and we can change faces in seconds with one click. We click on this double arrow. We can change the next photo, or we want to experience more. We can go to the model section, select the model we want to change, and find the model name. We came to this recording section. We selected the folder we want to save. We just created a folder on the desktop. We selected the folder. You can save it. Click Save Diagram. I'll show you the finished product at the end of the video. The above is the introduction of the picture face swap function of our software. If you have any questions, you can leave a message in the comment area or send me a private message. Everyone's attention to the software is internal software, not open source software, and it is also the most popular AI face swapping software on the whole network. Friends who like it can subscribe to my channel or click the link below to communicate. Then this is the end of our video. We will see you next time.